Imagine a place where nothing existed except endless sand, scorching heat, and powerful dust storms. Today, that very same desert produces more than 100 billion kilowatt hours of clean electricity every year. But that's not the most incredible part. Grass is growing, valuable crops are being cultivated, and thousands of sheep are now grazing where almost nothing could survive before. So how did China transform one of the harshest landscapes on Earth into a source of clean energy, agriculture, and new economic opportunities? In today's video, we're exploring one of the most ambitious engineering projects of the modern era. And if you enjoy amazing technology and mega projects like this, make sure to subscribe to Mandarin Tube and stay with us for more incredible stories from around the world. The technology behind this transformation is called agrivoltaics, a system that allows solar power generation and agriculture to share the same land. Instead of leaving vast deserts empty, China has covered them with millions of solar panels. But these panels do much more than generate electricity. They create shade, lowering the ground temperature and reducing water evaporation. As a result, the soil retains moisture much longer, making it possible for plants to survive in one of the driest environments on Earth. Engineers then install drip irrigation systems beneath the panels and enrich the soil with organic fertilizers and beneficial microorganisms. Slowly but surely, the once lifeless desert begins to recover. The first plants are drought-resistant grasses that stabilize the soil and prevent erosion. Once the land becomes healthier, farmers introduce higher-value crops such as goji berries, licorice root, and other medicinal plants that thrive in arid climates. But that's only part of the story. The grass growing beneath the solar panels becomes natural food for thousands of sheep. These animals keep the vegetation under control, reduce wildfire risks, and naturally fertilize the soil with their manure. Meanwhile, the electricity generated by millions of solar panels travels through inverters and substations before being delivered to China's national power grid, supplying clean energy to millions of homes and businesses. China's goal is far bigger than producing renewable electricity. It's about restoring damaged ecosystems while creating new economic opportunities for local communities. Today, thousands of square kilometers of degraded land have already been restored, making this one of the world's largest environmental recovery projects. Of course, this technology isn't cheap. Compared to traditional solar farms, agrivoltaic systems require taller structures, advanced irrigation networks, and careful management to balance energy production, agriculture, and ecosystem restoration. That makes these projects significantly more expensive and far more complex to operate. Even so, China continues expanding them across its desert regions, believing that this could become one of the most sustainable models for the future. For centuries, deserts were seen as places where life simply couldn't thrive. But China's agrivoltaic projects are proving something remarkable. Sometimes, the future isn't about finding better land. It's about discovering smarter ways to use the land we already have. Millions of solar panels are doing far more than producing electricity. They're helping restore ecosystems, grow food, support local communities, and create a cleaner, more sustainable future.